Hi, it's Mike.
In Windows there's an option called Focus Assistant which lets you block notifications so you can concentrate on the task at hand. So if you click the start icon and go to settings, into system, and over here there is Focus Assistant, and there's several options for switching it on. You can change the priority, so if you want notifications to come through you can add the app here. You can set the times. If you switch it on, click on it, there's the times that you can change, and then there's some other options here for customization.
Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you would like help with other Microsoft tools or programs, please check out our knowledge base portal or contact us with your request.